Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the rumors, leaks, and exciting possibilities surrounding the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Known for pushing the boundaries of portable gimbal-stabilized cameras, DJI's Osmo Pocket series has consistently delivered unparalleled quality in a compact form. With its innovative design and professional-grade capabilities, this line of cameras has been a game-changer for vloggers, travelers, and content creators worldwide. As the anticipation builds for the Pocket 4, let's explore everything we know and what we might expect from this revolutionary device. A legacy of excellence, the Osmo Pocket series. The DJI Osmo Pocket series first set the standard for handheld cameras that marry portability with performance. Its ability to deliver high-quality video content in a pocket-sized package has made it a favorite for those on the go. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3, launched in October 2023, introduced game-changing upgrades such as a larger 1-inch sensor, a 2-inch screen, and vertical shooting mode. These enhancements elevated the user experience, solidifying the Pocket 3's position as a top-tier choice for creators. Now, as whispers of the Osmo Pocket 4 grow louder, expectations are sky-high for what DJI will unveil next. Design and build, sleek and ergonomic. Leaked reports suggest that the DJI Osmo Pocket may feature a slightly bulkier frame than its predecessor, measuring approximately 140 by 43 by 35 millimeters and weighing around 190 grams. While this increase in size might initially raise eyebrows, it's likely to accommodate a redesigned ergonomic grip for more comfortable handling during extended shoots. This change could make a big difference for creators who rely on their gear for long filming sessions. A standout rumor is the introduction of a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen with a resolution of 480 by 880 pixels and an impressive brightness of 1000 nits. This would mark a significant leap from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3, addressing user feedback for better visibility and usability in bright conditions. The rotating mechanism promises effortless framing for both landscape and portrait shots, while a revamped button layout aims to enhance one-handed operation, ensuring that creators can focus on capturing the moment rather than fumbling with controls. Camera and imaging, elevating quality. At the heart of the Osmo Pocket 4 is its rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens. This powerful combination is expected to deliver exceptional image quality, capturing sharp and vibrant details with a wide dynamic range. The sensor's capabilities may include an ISO range of 50 to 6400 for video and up to 16,000 for low-light photography, making it a versatile tool for various lighting conditions. Notable upgrades such as 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M support, and HDR capabilities are also anticipated, offering filmmakers greater flexibility in post-production. Updated autofocus technology could enhance subject tracking, ensuring quicker and more accurate results, while a more robust processor is rumored to enable higher data rates and advanced computational photography features. These enhancements promise smoother operation even during demanding tasks, elevating the overall user experience. Advanced stabilization and tracking. One of the most exciting rumored features is ActiveTrack 7.0, a significant evolution of DJI's subject tracking technology. By combining phase detection with eye tracking capabilities, this technology could achieve unparalleled accuracy in following moving subjects. This upgrade may address the minor focus hunting issues experienced with the Pocket 3, making it an invaluable tool for creators who often shoot dynamic content. The Osmo Pocket 4 is also expected to feature an enhanced gimbal system paired with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms. This combination could ensure rock-steady footage, even during vigorous movements, making it ideal for action-packed shoots. DJI's commitment to expanding the accessory ecosystem may also introduce options such as an external battery pack, waterproof housing, and a professional-grade ND filter kit, catering to diverse shooting needs. Performance and features. Performance-wise, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to set new standards for portable cameras. Reports suggest the ability to record 4K video at an astounding 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of the Pocket 3. This enhancement would allow creators to experiment with dynamic and cinematic shots, expanding the creative possibilities. Battery and power management. Battery life is another area where the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to shine. While specific details about battery capacity remain speculative, it is anticipated to surpass the 1,300 mAh capacity of the Pocket 3. Improved power management systems may support longer recording sessions, even with the demands of a larger screen and a more powerful processor. A significant highlight could be the rumored DJI PD charger, which may reduce charging times to just 25 minutes. This improvement would be a boon for creators on tight schedules, enabling them to get back to shooting faster. Enhanced heat dissipation systems might also ensure reliable performance during extended use, preventing overheating issues that could disrupt filming. Pricing and release timeline. Based on DJI's release patterns, the Osmo Pocket 4 is speculated to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, maintaining the 3-year gap between generations. The rumored pricing, starting at $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator Combo, positions it firmly in the premium segment. These prices reflect the advanced features and cutting-edge technology packed into the device, targeting serious content creators who demand the best tools for their craft. The waiting game, is it worth it? For professionals and avid content creators, the rumored upgrades make the Osmo Pocket 4 an enticing prospect. From its larger screen and improved stabilization to higher frame rates and AI-driven features, the device promises to deliver a seamless shooting experience. However, the increased price point and longer wait time might deter casual users who are satisfied with the current capabilities of the Pocket 3. For those in need of an immediate solution, the Pocket 3 remains a compelling option, offering excellent value and availability at competitive prices. While we await official confirmation from DJI, the buzz surrounding the Pocket 4 highlights its potential to set new benchmarks in handheld videography. Are you as excited as we are about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Which features are you most looking forward to? Share your thoughts and expectations in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future for the latest updates and in-depth content.